Welcome to model lessons in mathematics, elementary science and technology, social studies, creative arts, physical education for lower primary grades, produced by Rwanda Education Board in collaboration with the World Bank.
Hello class, I'm happy to be here once again with you. This is Teacher Moses, going to take you through creative arts, that is primary 3. The unit we are handling is unit 5, which is puppetry and collage making work. And then we are having lesson 2, create puppets inspired from the surrounding using different materials, This is our lesson that we are going to handle. Now, before we start our lesson, of course, I have to remind you of what is expected of us in class. As good children, these are what we call our values. We should be cooperative in class, cooperate with one another, work together without any difficulty, and keep time in whichever activity I'm going to give you, whichever work we are going to do. In everything, try to keep time. Be kind to one another. Don't be rude. For example, if someone asks for something, be kind and answer in a polite way. Work hard. Please, when I give you an assignment, always try to work hard, because if you work hard, that's when you will produce very good results, okay? I'm happy that you are all smiling and you have good faces. That one, it shows me that you are really you are fine, you have no problem. So back to our lesson of the day. We said we are going to look at how we create puppets. Puppets are play materials, of course you know. Can we give some examples of puppets that we can make, like at home? Play materials, things which you can make using our hands that are play materials. Good, you can make a ball, wonderful. Yeah, you can tie some clothes and make a car. Yes, you can also make a bicycle puppet. These are play materials that you can make using your hands when you are at home. Yeah, I'm happy that you know them. That's wonderful. You are very good children. Now, we are going to look at one specific puppet that we can make among the puppets that you have told me and others that you are thinking about. We are going to look at only one, and that is how best we can make a ball at home. You can also make a ball as a puppet using different materials. But today, I want to handle one material that is available in our environment. You can find it everywhere. You can find it as you move around, as you go around. You can even get this material. And therefore, you will not have any excuse of not being able to make a ball when you're at home, okay? Wonderful, good children. The material that I'm going to use for making this ball is what you see here. This is the material. This is not the first time for me to bring this material. I've always used it for making many things, different other artwork. Now, can we identify this material? This is banana fiber. Wonderful, you know it. I'm happy that you can recall. This is banana fiber. Banana fiber is got from banana plants, and you can find it everywhere in the environment as you move around, even in our homes, you can find it there. So I have my banana fiber here. I'm having it now on the table. Always your table should be having a protective material that can make the environment not to be destroyed, so that your environment that you are working in is clean and even when it comes to the time of cleaning it, you can easily clean your environment and avoid making the floor or the tables dirty. Wonderful, good children. Now, I have told you that this is my banana fiber. And what am I going to make? Which puppet are we going to make now? A ball. Wonderful, wonderful. We are going to make a ball. Okay. I have here different sizes of banana fiber. I have large banana fiber, even short sizes. And then I have the small pieces which are cut in very small pieces. Okay? Now, I am going to show you how you use each. I have the one which is like a piece of raggy cloth. It is also useful. In art, you can look at it as something which is not going to help us, that is raggy, but is also useful. It is going to help us. Okay, so how do I begin making my ball? I am beginning with this raggy piece of fiber, which is soft, because I want to make a form. A ball is always round. So I have to fold it, making the round form. Circular, okay? Folding it different directions. Changing it, trying to make a circle, trying to make something round. Trying to make something round. Okay. Twisting it to different directions. Okay. Forming something round. Another thing that I've always told you, children, remember, whenever you are working, making artwork using banana fiber, it should always be soft a bit. It should be dipped in water. How do you make it soft? Dip it in water before. And don't make it too soggy. Don't make it very wet. You can dip it in water and remove. Put it aside under sunshine for some time. That will make it easy for you to twist it to make any shape, any figure that you want. Okay? Good children. Now, I have another one here. I'm adding it. Now, already you can see I have twisted it to make something circular. Okay? So, I have another shape here. I mean, adding a bigger piece of banana fiber, but still maintaining my shape. I'm twisting it to different directions. Maintaining the shape is very important, children. Everybody should be looking at what I'm doing. I am changing it to different directions because I want to maintain that circular shape. Okay? Look at where I've ended. Make sure where you've ended, hold that piece so that, and when you are making your ball, make sure that you are very careful, concentrate so that it doesn't fall down. If it falls down, then the banana fiber that we have folded, twisted, will unfold itself. This one is a bit big. You can divide it into two parts. I'm beginning with this one. Okay? Still trying to maintain my shape, that shape of the ball that I'm making should be well maintained. Put it down. Now you can see I have something again here which is open. That means I should work on it when I begin with the next fiber. Right here, I'm beginning with this part which is open, which is up, because I am trying to make this shape circular. Okay? Go, push this one down, take it this side, bring it and tie this one. Good. Okay, I'm adding. Another piece here. Tie that part. And make sure that it appears smooth. Though, of course, banana fiber cannot be very smooth, but I mean the shape we are making, it should not be so rough with with the fiber not organized. Okay. I'm adding, have another piece here. Now this one is longer, can see it. I'm removing some parts. Okay. Look at this. So I'm adding, is wrapping another fiber on the other. Wrapping another fiber on the other. And in a good way. Okay? In a good way. Just make your own ball that you can use for playing without buying it. Without looking for money. That you want to buy a ball. When you have banana fiber around you. Okay? I have this. I can begin from this side. Looks a bit softer. Don't cut it off. You just wrap it. You see that part which was looking raggy? It is covered now. And still your ball looks good. Okay? And try to press it, tighten the fiber so that you have a ball which can stay for some good number of days, for many days, without getting destroyed. I have this, adding it there. Wonderful. Still also have this. Tying it around and covering that part which looks to be fibrous or raggy. Okay. This is banana fiber, which is readily available. It is in our compounds and even in the environment. If it is not in your compound, school compound or at home, you can still get it nearby. You can't move very far to look for banana fiber. You see, my shape of the ball is coming, is maintained. My circular shape is maintained. Okay. The circular shape is maintained. This one had come up, so you push it inside because it was in the previous wrapping you made. Okay. I still have my large banana fiber. Some more to go. I think I should continue wrapping this side. Here. Okay. Then, I can add this one because I want my ball to be very big. Also, what you should know is this, the size or the banana fiber that you bring determines the size of the ball that you want to make. If you bring less banana fiber, you'll make a small ball. But if your banana fiber is much, you'll make a bigger ball. So I am still adding so that my ball becomes bigger. Okay? I'm covering this one, which was hanging. Okay? Try to make sure that the shape of your ball comes Can even do some pressings and see how your ball is. Okay. Make sure that there is no standing banana fiber on your ball, like this piece, which is out. Make sure that you rotate around until you cover it. You can come from any side until you reach it. You can come from this side, pass here, pass there. But when your aim is to reach there and cover it, here, I'm going, first time, but I'm coming back to cover it very well, and even other parts. Here, here, coming back here to push that part down. Okay. This is using banana fiber. There are more other materials that you can use for making a puppet like a ball at home. There are some other materials you can use. What else can you use if you don't have banana fiber? Pieces of cloth, yes. Cut pieces of cloth. You can go to the tailor's workshop, and then you get pieces of cloth. If you cannot get banana fiber near you, you can go to the tailor's workshop and you get pieces of cloth which the tailor does not need. For him, he will think it's wasted, but you can make a ball out of it. Okay? Now I have short pieces of banana fiber remaining with me and the smaller ones for finishing my ball. I have now smaller pieces of banana fiber. These ones are going to help me to finish my ball very well, and when you look at them, they appear a bit smooth, smoother than the ones which I was having before. Okay? They are helping me to cover my ball so that it looks nice. Look at it. These ones, I cut them in a good shape so that they can give my ball a good shape. Get it, spread it a bit, and tie around to cover your ball so that it has a good shape. Okay? Tie it a bit. Spread wide a bit. Spread wide a bit. And cover your ball. Cover your ball. Okay? I told you to be always careful. I'm looking for the one which is larger, so that I can wrap it here to this corner and bring it back up to that corner. Look for another one which is a bit larger. Bring it, join it to this one so that the shape comes out well. Spread it to cover. Okay? So that your shape comes out well. Okay? My ball is getting a nice shape now. Okay? And this is the size of the ball. that I wanted to make. Okay. Now, there is something else that is remaining. I have been just wrapping big banana fiber around and around. Now, I have my shape of the ball that I wanted to make. I have to make it tight so that this banana fiber will not unfold, and then when you are playing your ball, one day the ball is destroyed. No. Now, I have to use thread-like banana fiber, cut in small pieces. Now, to tighten this ball. This is like a string, but still fiber. You can choose even to use other pieces of string, like from sisal. But for me, I want to use this very piece of string so that I can show you that this can also make your ball last for long. Look at how I'm tying it. Well joined. Okay? Tighten it. Make sure that it's very tight. Tighten it. Okay. You see how I've twisted it? And I'm tying it, making it tight. Then now you can go around. Look at what I'm doing. This was the first tightening that I made. And it should be around. Okay. Then I take it around. Look at what I'm doing. Take it around and tighten into the very tightening that we have made. Pull it a bit. Continue. Now this banana fiber, when it gets a cut, you join. You just join by tying another piece on it. The string like that I've made. Okay. I'm joining it here. Pull it. Why am I doing this? Because I don't want my banana fiber to be loose. And when I'm playing, it comes out. Okay? Pulled it. Continue. Join it to the same. From this side, pull it a bit. Now you can see it is over. I can add there another one. I'm adding this one by just tying them together, like this. Go, tie this part, join it here, and tie there and pull. Gently continue. I'm joining it to this one. It is very easy now when they become very many. Just continue. I'm joining this one. You know, as you turn, you just join to the other. Continue. Already this one is here. I enter it here. And join. This one is out. You can tie it down. Join. Okay. I'm adding there another piece because this one is over. Adding there another piece. Okay. I was moving towards this direction. Now they are nearer. From moving from one wound you made to another is very nearer. Can take this one a bit far and join it to this one. Make sure you enter it well and take your time. Take your time. Remember, this is the ball you are going to play for some good number of days. Okay? Okay. It is shorter now. I'm adding there another one. Okay. I join this one too. this one. I take this and join to another one here, which I had tied earlier on. It's coming nearer. No, I should take it a bit far from this one and to the one which is a bit tight. Possibly this one. Okay, I join to this one. And lastly, I want to finish up tying it with this. So I'm entering it here many times. Now, you can even press it a bit. Can press it a bit. You can now see I have my ball made from banana fiber, and depending on the strength I want it, this one I can play it for some number of days. When it is spoiled, I get another one. So using that material that you are having, the banana fiber that you have put on your tables, you are going to make this kind of ball. Okay? That's the assignment I'm giving you. And should be nice, you can make a bigger one or the one smaller than this. So, using the banana fiber, make a ball. That's all. There is nothing that I'm adding here. You can make a smaller one or the one bigger than this one I'm having, okay? And please remember always to clean your environment. Remember to clean your environment after doing work. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time.